blizzard warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Alaska Standard Time this evening. Northeast wind 35 to 50 miles per hour with gusts to 75 miles per hour. Cold wind chills as low as 20 to 30 below zero this evening could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The wind was northeast at 59 miles an hour, gusting to 72, producing a wind chill of -23. Impacts: widespread blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. Very strong winds could cause tree damage and cause power outages.
The snow's come off most of the trees because the trees were very heavy with snow from the past couple of weeks of heavy snow. And we have no new snow accumulation, but we have a blizzard warning in effect because of the existing snow and the high winds that are going to be occurring for the next day and a half. But it sure is beautiful out here. And we're definitely going to lose some trees. I just heard one somewhere.
Hear that cracking?
Yeah.
Or if something's walking through there.
I thought I heard something earlier, and then the dogs were all barking, so I was like, oh, okay. We'll not go this way.
Looks like we lost a big tree.
A big tree.
Looks like it was short and stumpy or something. I don't know. It looks thick, but it didn't go into the road.
Honey, that's like, I don't know, 30 feet or something, isn't it?
I guess, yeah.
So it's not that short and stumpy.
It's dead, so it's going to be
a...
it's one of the dead ones I wanted to take down.
It's going to like make a lot of compost material and firewood. I'm so very excited.
We have that one that came down.
Yeah.
And then we have this one that I just took care of.
And probably the one over there with the road.
Well, ways down there?
What's that?
The one that's down there a ways? Yeah, maybe.
I'll start over there, whacking the branches off.
Sure.
And then you can chainsaw it up.
All right.
Right?
Sounds good.
Like a plan. And then I'll whack this.
Yeah. We'll just drag. Yeah. We just need to get. We probably just knock all the branches off this, and then I might have to cut them up again. We'll see if we can get them in the sled and get them down there.
Yeah, and then I'll try to fire up the wood chipper and see if I can chip it.
Yeah.
Cool. So we have all these branches from the trees that came down during the blizzard, and I'm wood chipping them because we are in good need of wood chips. We use these for our compost, and we are running low. So I'm very thankful to be having this opportunity. And we've changed the gasket on the wood chipper, which we had to order because it broke. So I'm happy to get this working again. Okay, cool.
Well, we're out here again.
Our favorite place.
It's a couple days after the big blizzard that we had, and we're finishing up processing the wood that came down. One, we'll chip up the branches and whatnot for cover material for both our composting toilet and our compost piles. And we came out here to cut up the rest of the wood from the trees today.
Yep.
And found that somebody had stolen the rest of our trees.
Yep.
That had come down.
Yep.
We talked to somebody at the wildlife department that we know, and they mentioned that spruce is going for about $300 a cord right now, and it's an issue with those firewood for sale trucks rolling around and stealing wood from people's property, and then they resell it.
Yeah.
Because it's at a premium right now for the people who didn't have enough wood going into the year.
Well, and it's expensive right now. I mean, heating not only
as everybody is probably aware, the cost of heating has gone up.
For every these were great trees too. They were really dry. I mean, we've been burning them, and they're doing far better than our other trees that we took down over the summer and had seasoning. So
they burn longer, they burn hotter, they perform a lot better when they're dry.
Except that second one, they took it all.
Yeah, they took the whole.
They took the second one, and they just rolled up on the property, and
we
assume chained it. And
there's no footprints in the deep snow, so it looks like what happened is they probably backed the truck up, they tied a chain around the top of the tree, and then yarded it out.
Yeah.
And then they dragged it up the road a ways, and then got it up onto the tree. It really sucks.
It does suck. But, yeah, it just, people take advantage of situations. And
we're not immune from it up here in Alaska either.
Yep. Yeah.
And we did see that the lower 48 and Canada is getting hit with a lot of really, really cold weather.
Mm-hmm.
So we hope that everybody that's not used to cold weather is safe.
Yeah.
And has the stuff they need.
And heated, yeah.
And it's heated well.
Yeah.
I think the UK is about to get hit by it too.
Oh, really?
I think it's going over there. I don't know. We're going to chop up the rest of these branches today.
And we were talking to, we've mentioned this in other videos, but the spruce is, it just keeps getting beetle killed. Like, it's amazing how quickly it's happening in this area, and probably all across the U.S. And I'm reluctant though to take down these trees because we will be losing a lot of privacy, and we want to keep that. So we'll probably just deal with some dead trees. I mean, we got trees going, and we'll definitely transplant, but for them to mature enough to actually offer us the privacy that we want is going to take a long time. A long time.
The trees kind of grow slow up here because it's cold.
Yeah. The long winters definitely slow the growth. That's why the Strauss violins. What's the name of the violins?
Stradivarius or something like that.
What
Stradivarius.
Stradivarius? Okay.
Something like that.
Something like that. It's escaping me right now. It is
Okay.
totally escaping me.
The really high-end violins.
High-end violins.
Were they made from spruce?
They were made. I think it's spruce, and it's a forest like this, and it's very slow growing, so it's very tight ring.
Oh, tight and dense
wood.
Oh.
And so that's why they're so famous and so sound so distinct, is because the wood that they're made out. They didn't discover this till years later because he kept that a secret. Gosh, why is his name escaping me? Anyways.
We think it's Stradivarius, but if we're wrong or if we're right, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. Yeah.
We're probably saying it wrong too, so
yeah.
feel free to tease us about it.
Yeah. When we meet that kind of resistance, that's usually the case. Okay. So what do you want to do?
Unzip and let her rip. Got some holes in here.
Yeah. Oh, Liliana wants to sew. So I think we're going to have to rebuy a sewing machine. Good. Yeah, that's going to cover some
Apparently you're not
stuff.
supposed to put babies in buckets. All right, you want the sled or you want the...
I'll take the wood chipper.
Same time.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, I got 2 views. You know, I don't want why man no work.
I know. It's a lot of work, a lot of responsibility. Par for the course.
Oh, shit.
Shorten it.
Why are you recording?
Because I'm taking this inside.
Bye. I'm hanging up. Bye. It doesn't stink either. I know what I want to sell on our channel.
What?
Buckets. Buckets with funny stuff on them. I want to design buckets.
Like life in Alaska, we're full of it.
Oh, yes. Yes. I mean, we have so many buckets and we use them. Okay. Yes, look at that. So cool. Do you remember when I started this? I read it down in there. I wrote it down, and it's on here.
As you can tell, it snowed a little bit.
Yeah, this is our indicator because we haven't.
It would be cool as if they were kind of warm in there, but I don't think they are.
I don't know if we dug down in the middle. Yeah, I think
should leave
is.
it insulated.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm going to. That's why I haven't taken care of it. But I feel like I did this in October and November. I'll have to watch the video when I built this because we are full of it. I mean, look at this. I love compost. I'm not going to deny it. I love compost. I should have been a soil
engineer,
scientist, engineer. Yeah, I did consult with one.
Oh, you already got your holistic management cert or whatever.
Yeah, I know.
All right. We got cleaned up after the blizzard. We processed the trees that came down.
Yep. At least a few of them.
Yeah, a few of them. I mean, there's several in the middle of the
property,
but we wanted to get the ones closest to the driveway because it's good firewood
and makes it easier for people to steal.
Yeah, and, you know.
Yeah, no, I'm feeling good where we're at, and we're actually above 0. So that's great. Actually, today you said.
Well, neighbor said his thing is reading about 25 to 30.
Okay.
Ours is reading almost 40, but I don't think it reads very well.
Yeah, I'm feeling good where we're at, and I'm ready to go adventuring. I'm ready.
All right, but I think we're gonna go warm up some pizza. I think.
Yeah.
We made pizza last night for New Year's.
Yes.
So I think since we made 4 pizzas, we're gonna go eat some more of it.
Yeah.
We have food for the next few meals.
I know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Feeling real good.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about...
This is life in Alaska.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time, and we'll catch you in the next video.